Hey guys, this is Charlie with Badass Beard Care, and I'm here to tell you all about our new and improved Badass Canvas Travel Bag. Every part of this bag screams quality. Our bag still features this very durable wax canvas, genuine leather reinforced stitched zippers, and our genuine leather patch on the front. And with your feedback, we removed the molle webbing on the back and replaced it with this very handy external pocket to hold all of your other accessories. We've made some really cool improvements to the internals as well. The inside of this bag is specifically designed to hold all of your Badass Beard Care products and so much more. On one side, you'll see pockets specifically for beard balms, waxes, or butters. Right behind that is a flat padded pocket for a beard comb, and at the top, we even have magnetic loops to hold your scissors. On the other side, there's two pockets that are extremely padded specifically for your beard oils to prevent breaks or spills in transit, and a utility pocket to hold any other kind of accessories you might have with elastic loops for normal grooming tools like nail clippers. At the top of that side, we even have a zippered mesh pocket just for your toothbrush. This bag holds everything you'd possibly take on a trip and more. Even with all of your beard care products safely organized and stored on the side of these bags, there's still a large center void that's spacious enough to fit a beard wash, beard conditioner, deodorant, and a large beard brush. Now, just like every other product at Badass Beard Care, this travel bag comes backed by a lifetime warranty. So pick one up for your next trip at badassbeardcare.com.